So this is the final video about the BRC Power Manager. We now show you a short overview of the functionalities you have with the Power Manager. In the last video, we installed our first plant, the test 123. And now this plant you will see under the topic plants in the app. We can directly click into this plant and then in the dashboard, where we now see all the strings we installed last time. There you see all the optimizers, what they are doing right now. Clearly you see on the colors that when the optimizer is green, it's working right now. So maybe there is a shadow situation at this time. If they are blue, the optimizers don't have to work right now. And also you see the form of the strings like you configured it in the installation of the app. You would also see if an optimizer is offline in this situation right now, then the optimizer would be shown as a gray optimizer. If you want to have a detailed information about the module or the optimizer by itself, you can simply click on one of the optimizers and then you get the information of the voltage, the current and the temperature of this one optimizer in the string. With show log, you would also get all the informations and messages of the optimizer. So if there was a problem in the past and stuff like that. What you can also see is what the current performance of all the optimized modules is right now. The important is we just get the power of the modules where an optimizer is installed. Also, you have other dashboards in the top, like the system state, if there's any problem with the system right now, with the plant, with the network or the portal. Like you see, you have a yellow color right now because there is one optimizer that is not working. So you get the information, hey, there might be a problem. Also, the customer get the information how much power he get of the optimized modules this day, the last week, the last month or the last year. And also with this information, he gets the info how much money he saved with the optimizers, because in the registration of the plant you were able to say what is the cost of your kilowatt per hour. Of course, right now there's €0 because we configured this plant just some minutes ago. So let's get back to all the rest information to this specific power plant. The dashboard we saw, then we have of course some informations about this plant. There you get the general data. So what was the name, what was the address again? We see something about the company, of course, we said. We have here the information about the owner, and also we have now the possibility to invite the owner. So if we didn't invite the owner in the first step of the registration, we now can add the owner to this plant. Here we can also change the electricity consumption of the owner in order to get the right savings. Like we saw on the specific optimizers, each optimizer has their own logs. If there are some messages or informations about this specific optimizers, you also have a log for the whole system, for the whole plant. So if there are any problems or informations about the whole system, you can also see it here. Then on the component side, you see which modules did I install there, which inverter did I use, all the information you did in the beginning of connecting the plant. And at last we have the topic administration. Here you have the possibility to change the strings. For example, if there was one optimizer switched here, you can just simply edit the string again and say, oh, this one optimizer is not right on this position. You can just switch it up. And you directly see the change in the dashboard of your plant. Now you saw all the important functionalities of the Power Manager app. I hope this video was interesting for you. See you next time and bye-bye.